Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to install portable air conditioner. I have a portable air conditioner over here. We have made a couple video about this air conditioner. We review open box, but in this video we are going to focus only on installation. We will walk through step by step how you can install, and we will talk about really important things you really need to know before you buy this air conditioner. So I have all the parts, it comes by day, and you need to perform this job. If we talk about the tool buys, we need just only Phillips screwdriver to install this portable air conditioner, no other tool required. Now let's first look about the parts, what parts it comes by day, what we need it. Then we will walk through step by step how you can install. Let's start. Okay, now I will show you a little bit about the parts it comes by day. This AC comes with this extendable trim. It goes on the window, and we have a hole here for exhaust, like here. It comes with two couplers, going to one on this side, one to the AC, and extendable this flex hose to exhaust hot air outside. It comes with LCD remote and two screws. That's all it comes with. It comes with rubber cushions to put around so hot air doesn't come back. So now, if talk about this one, this window trim is about 24-inch wide, or long or tall, the way you want to use. If your window opens side by side, then you have to install this trim like that, and you can extend all the way and see how tall your window, and you can have it two screw from the side, and this trim will stay there. We're gonna put in a window. If your window is open up and down, then probably you can use only one piece, 24-inch. If it's smaller, you can cut it and use it. So now installation pretty quick. Behind this AC, we have an exhaust over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a small piece, just put it here, and just force it in, and here we go. And then we are going to use this pipe. Either way, doesn't matter, we're going to just push it and lock it out, so this pipe doesn't go anywhere. Then we are going to do this one, same thing. We are going to put this side, but I'm not going to put right now because I have to install trim first, and then we're gonna put this one, then we're gonna put a pipe on it. So for this one, first we have to measure our window. Let's go to the window. We're gonna make a mark and have a screw. As you can see, I have this window where I'm going to install. So I have marked everything, but I just want to perform this action to show how to install. Like my window is open sideways, so I have to install AC trim up and down on the sideways. What I'm going to do, I'm going to extend one end. Going to put this one, I have to go up, like say I extend inside part, all the way, and we can mark over here. After mark, you can just bring it down, and we are going to install two screws, one each side. So now, this is just a flexible. You can just put it here really tight. Here we go. Now we are going to close this window all the way. I have a gasket over here already. If you don't have, so you need to put a gasket. So gasket over here, so you don't lose cold air, or you don't get the hot air back. So now I want to talk a little bit more about back side of AC. What is the function? I also have a lot of questions about the drain. Why we need a drain pipe installed or whatever. So first look at on the top. This one have a filter and it's called upper air intake. You just close it back. Same thing, we have one over here, lower air intake. You can just open from the side and have a filter inside, clean it out. Then we have a hot air out exhaust. Upper drain, bottom drain. This one for to buckle your hose. That's all we have on the back side. Okay, I'm living in Fresno, California, so my area is hot. We don't have that much humidity, but this AC is also dry your moisture. If you are living in the area where you have a lot of moisture, probably you need to install your drain permanently. Drain is over here, drain over here. You can install and have a pipe outside so it can drain water all the time if you're using as a humidifier. But I'm going to use only for AC. It's really dry. What I'm going to leave a cap on. Every week or every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, I'm going to open this cover and I'm going to drain whatever water inside. Last year when I used, I found every 3 weeks or 4 weeks I will have a couple drops. That's all. Drain, have water inside, otherwise I don't need to drain. So you need a drain, you need a permanently installed drain if you are in an area where there's a lot of moisture and you are using as a humidifier. But I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use just only as AC. So I don't need this drain to install permanently. I will open after 2-3 weeks and see what we get inside. So now we are going back. We are going to put this plug back again and we are going to turn on this AC, and after that I will explain one more thing that's really important for this AC. I will say that's the only one negative point this AC have over the window AC. This one also window AC. Really good thing about it, really easy to install. Just power on. You don't need that much hose extend. I'm going to close it out, everything. I will keep just only what we need. Power on. I have an AC, cool, auto, so it's on. So here we go. So now our AC is already on. It start cooling, compressor kicks on. I'm gonna bring my digital thermometer. We're gonna read temperature over here and read temperature outside the room. So I just started my AC and I'm going to check my room temperature. Turn on, 96. Now I'm going to take this thermometer top of AC where the cold air coming and see how much temperature on top of that AC thing. See how cold air is coming up. If I bring it over here, it's a 72. Okay. 69, 71, 71, 69. So basically I might be moving my thermometer. So it's pretty hot outside. Outside might be is about like 100 or above, and inside is like 90 something. Okay, now we have installed our portable air conditioner. It's really easy. We walk through step by step. Now I'm going to talk about one negative point for this AC. That's all I have found in my last use, and probably in this use going to be same thing happen. So what is that? This AC bringing cold air from here. Somehow we have an exhaust pipe in backside and throwing hot air outside. So basically this little kitchen living room is about like 10 by 12, so 120 square feet. If I have closed my windows, what I have done right now to show you what I'm talking about, the negative point. I have this window is closed all the way, this one, and I have a second one over here closed. My door is closed. That's the way it's supposed to be. So that's the way this AC gonna make this room colder. But the thing is, the amount of cold air I'm getting from here, same amount of air it's throwing outside. Which one is creating vacuum inside the room? I showed you in a minute. I'm gonna let it run in a couple of minutes, then I will show you what I'm talking about. So all the windows closed, door closed. It's not a very long time I have started this AC, but if I open this door, like open, it's hard to open. It open, but it's like I have a vacuum inside the room. So this AC is only one thing downside, is throwing a lot of hot air outside. Basically it's taking air from here, from the back filters, throw to this pipe outside, which one creating vacuum in this room. And if you open door or window, it's gonna bring hot air inside, which one is going to be hard for this AC to be make colder. That's all one negative point. Other than this AC is working perfect. I have this AC from 2 years. I used last year, I'm going to use this year, and it's really easy to install. And actually I have only this window available. That's why I put top of the counter. It's gonna stay there. But if you are using in other rooms, you can move anywhere around in the corner. I have no room on this window. So now we have installed our portable air conditioner. That was really easy and quick. It took me about like 10-15 minutes, but I was making video. Otherwise it's gonna take only 5 minutes to install, and that's really easy to install. Top of only one negative point, which one is creating vacuum. That's all. So I hope you guys like my video. I tried to explain as much as I can, but if you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I see your comment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.